What's up, James? It's truly a dream come true.
I got this fixed, all right?
If you got this fixed, why are we out here on the corner?
I don't know, man. Maybe he didn't tie something tight enough. I don't know. Maybe it's
In
too
a
loose. I
I told you to go to the shop.
don't know. My cousin been fixing stuff for years, all right?
Oh, okay.
You know, all we got to do is give him $100, a blunt, and some Hennessy, and some chicken nuggets from Wendy's, and we good.
She belongs to me.
Money. Wasting my money.
She
You know,
belongs.
stupid cars, like, really?
Fix the car and take the girl.
Really?
Yeah.
Sick of this.
Something wrong with the car?
Yeah.
What's wrong with it?
I don't know, man.
You don't know nothing about your car? Oh man, what you doing with your life? What you doing with your life?
He dogging me, man.
All you know how to do is drive it and put gas in it. You don't know nothing about cars, man. How you live like that? I said, y'all lady, I'm so sorry. Yeah, you gotta go to this. Where the alternator at? Where the water pump? You know what? Don't even worry about it. Just go and get in the car started up. I'm listening to it. I'll tell you what's wrong with it. I'm a real man. Watch this. Start it up. My hand's dirty. His car. Oh man, that's your timing belt. See, now you ought to be glad I caught that for you in time, because that timing belt is off the radiator. Now you get on the highway driving 55 miles an hour, speeding and flying, and like y'all normally young boys like to do, something gonna come apart and you're gonna lose control of this thing. Young lady, better be glad I was out here. I saved your life today, and yours. But you know, I can fix it. I can fix it. Now start the car up. Start it up. Start the car up. Man, thanks. Fix ain't it? Better learn how to fix a car, boy. You like ice cream? Woo! Probably you need something else fixed.
To have a girl like her is truly a dream.